Hey guys, Glen, welcome to my channel. Make sure you hit the subscribe button, thumbs up if you enjoy my content. Now this is going to be my review on Freedom Blueprint. This is a product by Philip Johansson. This is kind of an intro product to his whole sort of ecosystem. Now he is a online marketer. He's been doing it for a while. I've followed him from back at when he started in Warrior Plus. This guy's gone on to just crush it. I think he's at about 40 million in sales. It's pretty amazing. So this is one of his, I guess you could call it a tripwire. It's basically a small entry price course. It's really good. It's packed. It's jam packed, full of gems. And it's basically kind of introducing you to his ecosystem. Now he has a full on mentorship course. That's what I'm in, where they build you an entire funnel for you, and they have weekly training. And if you're interested in more of that kind of thing than doing it yourself, because this is definitely a do-it-yourself. They give you all the tools, but it's do-it-yourself system. And I've also put a bonus on this too, so I can, if you get this, I can show you a way that you can set it up for much less. It's a lot less expensive, and I'll put that in the bonuses in the JV Zoo section, so you'll get my bonus. All right, so let's get into this. I just need to move my stuff out of the way here. First off, this is the sales page. Expose the fast way to make money online. Do not share. This secret system could allow you to cash in $17.97 every single day. Now, guys, whenever you see these headlines, this is like, this is what people that have gotten into it and they're really up and going. You're not going to make it in your first week or two, but you can you can scale this very quickly. My Instagram account, since we started working with Phil in November, I've gotten over 42,000 members into my Instagram, and I make sales every single day with it. So this is what it is. It's only $13. There's an upsell for something. It's an $8.50, whatever, $16 upsell or something. I recommend, when you go through this, make sure you go through all the upsells, because if it this is what I always say. If it resonates with you and you go, yeah, I'm going to use that, then get it. If not, say no thanks and move on to the next thing. But either way, you're gonna be happy with the product. Then let's go jump into the product and let me show you. These are all real people too. These aren't fake testimonials. These are real people, because I see them in the weekly training in the main group. So all real people. This guy's he's on his I think that's 100 million. So that's 25 million. I think each one of these squares is 25 million you get from ClickFunnels. It's $13. Let's scroll down what the bonuses are. More testimonials. Okay, so you get the Freedom, direct access to the Freedom team. So you'll get, you will get, I think you might get invited into the school group. I'm already in the school group, so I didn't see that in there. But so you get invited to the team. You get the Freedom Blueprint. Oh, and you know what? That's a master class there. The master classes in this are really good, guys. I'll show you free high ticket training. So they do teach you exactly how he went to 40 million. Unfair advantage, more custom training. So yeah, there's some actual really good master blueprints. So it's chock full. Let me show you it. Okay, so you're going to get into it here. Basically, the first one is welcome to Blueprint. So the Freedom Blueprint turbocharge. So you basically it's really just really going in depth, and so you understand exactly how and why you can make incredible money with high ticket affiliate marketing. There's more masterclasses here. So these are really the sort of the setting you up for success. I recommend going through them. But online business setup, this is the online business setup, and this is where I've actually got a bonus for you. So instead of having to buy ClickFunnels and Aweber, I've put together a free funnel that you can use. So it'll just save you some money when you're getting started. Not if you want to do ClickFunnels Aweber, absolutely go for it. But I'm just showing you an inexpensive way to get started, just to save you some money, especially if you're brand new. If you already have ClickFunnels and Aweber, you can just import this funnel into it. There's my dog. Import your series into Aweber, and you're good. You need a JV Zoo account, and you just grab your affiliate link, buying a domain, all that kind of stuff. It's all in here. Register for Copecart. That's where he sells his main product. Well, actually, he sells on both JVZoo and Copecart. So that's all in there, and each one is a video that walks you through step by step. And then he goes into all the traffic, and there's tons of different ways to get traffic. It sets you up with how to set up Instagram, how to do TikTok, and I've got more trainings as well for you on that, where you can make review videos like I'm making right now for YouTube. You can also, how you can cross post your stuff from Instagram into X, into, or Twitter, whatever you want to call it, into Pinterest, and sort of just keep creating this getting your content out there, sharing and sharing and sharing. So this is it for $13, guys. You will get, this is personally, a lot of this is in, well, not a lot of it, some of it is in the big course. Let me just quickly show you the big course so you see what I'm talking about. Where is it here? No, that's not it. I don't have it open right now, so let me just go to school here. And so he's got two main groups, but here's, guys, this is all the courses you get in his big course. Like it's extensive, and then this is all the weekly training you get all week long. So there's 4, 3, 3, 4. Actually, these have 2 on one day, so this has got 5 in this week. So there's so much live training that goes on, guys. You will never run out of being able to access people and ask for help. All right, so that's basically it. That is my review of the Freedom Blueprint. Absolutely highly recommend it. And inside the bonus section in JVZoo, so what will happen when you purchase it, you'll get an email that says welcome to Freedom Blueprint. That's how you get access to this. Your receipt will be in JVZoo, and then if you go into your JVZoo, when you get that email, there'll be a little click here to get your bonuses, and I'll put that link for my Freedom Blueprint hack. I'll put it right in there for you, and you can use it. You don't have to, but I just found it's a really good way to save it. It'll save you about $120 a month, kind of thing, and it shows you exactly step by step how to set it up. That's it, guys. Again, it's Glen Murray Freedom Blueprint review and a little bonus for you. And make sure you hit the subscribe button. Give us a thumbs up. Make sure you follow my Instagram account, Glen Murray Online, and I'll see you on the next one.